Video content is one of the most effective ways to train and enable partners, but scattered libraries and no performance insights make adoption difficult. ZINFI's Video Library centralizes all your sales, product, and training videos, and adds powerful analytics to track usage, engagement, and partner adoption. Partners browse intuitive categories from product videos to admin tutorials, organized in a clean, collapsible tree. Switch between thumbnail or list views and sort videos by newest or recently updated. Advanced filters help partners quickly find the exact video they need. Videos open in a clean player with full details, transcripts, and playback controls. Each video includes descriptive metadata to help teams understand scope and relevance. Admins build and manage video categories to maintain a clean, logical structure. Admins can track which partners are watching which videos, how often, and when, enabling data-driven enablement. Gain insight into your most watched videos, partner engagement patterns, and content ROI. With an organized library, rich metadata, and deep analytics, ZINFI's Video Library accelerates partner learning and improves content effectiveness.